Welcome back to another edition of Cluck Around and Find Out with that guy named Mike. And today, I went all the way to the Tacoma Mall and got Dave's Hot Chicken. I got, basically, this looks almost exactly like B's Hot Chicken in Tacoma. You got some kind of random sauce in there. You got a bunch of pickles. You got the crinkle cut fries. You get like a tender and a sandwich. I got the same exact thing that I got at B's Hot Chicken because I wanted to compare who's better, Dave's or B's. Now, they're both very, very popular around here. But I know Dave's has different locations. And there's a lot more videos on social media with his chicken than B's. So the fries are almost exactly the same. The seasoning on the fries is very, very similar to B's. And I like that, because the seasoning is very, very good. Now, Dave's Hot Chicken, I went with the same heat level. So I went with hot, just regular hot. And look at that breading. Very, very similar to B's. Okay. You know, if I had to do a random taste test and I was blindfolded, I may not be able to tell them apart. It's so well seasoned. The chicken is brined well. The breading is seasoned well. The spice level on the heat is almost exactly the same and tastes very, very similar. Yeah. That is fucking good. That is fucking really good. Now at B's, they gave us some kind of like buttermilk ranch. And these guys have some kind of orange sauce. I'm assuming it's going to be like some kind of chipotle mayo or something like that. Maybe a Nashville style hot sauce mixed with mayo. So right out of the gate, it's very sweet and tangy and very creamy. And it cuts through the heat of the tender really well. Say, as far as the sauce goes, I like Dave's sauce more than the ranch. Although the ranch was very good. I even said in that video, it's kind of like the perfect accompaniment. This is even better. Sweeter. A little bit of tang. Just very, very, really well done sauce. I got to give it to them. Their sauce is one notch above B's. So I am going to attempt to put this chicken sandwich there that they call a slider. But to me, this is bigger than a slider. This is that's just a fucking chicken sandwich, man. And again, it looks almost exactly identical to B's Hot Chicken. It's got the tangy coleslaw with a bunch of pickles and stuff on it. And I love, love, love these Southern style chicken sandwiches that put the coleslaw on there. I think a hot, crispy chicken sandwich with coleslaw is just fantastic. It's like the perfect, to me, it's better than lettuce and onions and tomato. It just goes so much better. Very juicy. It's dripping all over the place. And the cutlet is decent size. That's a decent sized tender cutlet. Again, so well seasoned. So flavorful. I mean, this is almost a perfect tie. I'm not even sure. Like I said, if you actually put B's and Dave's side by side, I had to do a blindfold challenge. I don't 100%. I don't know if I could actually tell the difference. They're that similar. They're that close. The meal, I believe, was $13.99. Same exact price point. Everything is exactly the same except for the dipping sauce. Very, very, very good. And if you get the level 4, the regular heat, the regular hot, man, it's like the perfect heat level. Perfect heat level, man. It's hot enough where I need to take a drink, but not super hot. Like, I'm going to start crying or sweating or something. I am actually starting to sweat just a little bit under my hat. But it tastes so good. Can't stop eating it. So tasty. I'm gonna have to give them an A. I'm ranking this up there. I think the only thing that makes them better than B's is their dipping sauce. That's the one thing that puts them a little bit higher. A+. B's is an A. These guys are A+. Just phenomenal flavoring. The fries are great. The pickles are fresh and crispy. I just love all of it. I could eat another one of these in like an hour from now. It's so good. So, Dave's Hot Chicken, Tacoma, Washington. It's at the Tacoma Mall. Go there. This was the number 3 meal, and I went with the hot level, so I believe is number 4. And if you guys like hot stuff like I like hot stuff, this is a perfect level of heat. You won't be disappointed. It's not going to kill you the next day. You don't have to go and eat ice cream like you probably will. When I tried the Reaper, I went and got a Reaper. Here, this is going to be another video. I'm going to do this as a short. So I got 2 Reaper tenders. I'm going to do a short video for YouTube and TikTok. And yeah, I'm definitely going to need something to drink. You literally have to sign a waiver when you buy it. You have to sign it. And it talks about how they are not responsible if you have any kind of medical issues or medical conditions, or you have a heart attack or a stroke or anything like that. It's actually pretty, when I was reading it, I was like, wow, this is very, very thorough. So they definitely don't want to get sued if you have a bad reaction to the Reaper. So that has me a little bit nervous. So if you guys want to see me eat the Reaper, go into the shorts or go check out my TikTok. It's unapologetically real with that guy named Mike. And yeah, I'm a little bit scared. So with that being said, thanks for joining me today. Dave's Hot Chicken Tacoma. You won't be disappointed. And you're fucking welcome.